YouTubies, my name is Brittany-Star and I am back with a YouTube hair tutorial. So today I am going to be installing a crochet hair, and it is this one, Shirley Curl. I'm installing Shirley Curl 18 inches in my head today, and this is the Shirley Curl Freetress braid 3 bundle pack. This is the 3 bundle pack, and it's 18 inches. So I have I have 2 in a 1B, and I have 1 in a T27. And I'm just gonna mix it all in to give me that little, a little exotic look, something exotic. But yes, stay tuned as we get slayed, babe. We're about to get slayed, okay? First thing first, when it comes to putting any protective style in your head, you have to take care of your actual hair and your scalp. So I am about to put some oil throughout my braids so my hair can, my natural hair can be still thriving and moisturized. So the oil that I'm using is just a Do-Grow, what is it? Mega Thick Formula hair oil. And I did put some black castor oil and some argan oil in here too. It's almost gone. It's a really good mix. My edges were getting a little sparse, so that's why I put the black castor oil and that stuff in it. And I tell you, my edges are so long now. I'm like, wait a second, I ain't want them that long. I just want y'all to feel back in. But shoot, I put this on my whole head now. My hair has just been growing. Yes, I'm here for it. I'm here for all of the growth, okay? All of the growth. Just getting through there. Just see that oil layage. Oh yeah, we can talk about my braid pattern. So this is my braid pattern. I have a total of 9 braids. I have, oh sorry, I'm just scratching. I have 9 braids. 1, 2, 3. This is 1 braid. 2, 3. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me turn around and let you all see the back. I hope you can see that. Got the 1 braid down here. So yeah, what's my braid pattern? Right, we good and moisturized, so let's start the install. Okay, can we talk about the strand real quick? So the strand is thick. She thick. So you would want to separate this, but this hair is not the easiest to separate. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna just do, some people say do it quick and fast. I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna do it slow and I'm gonna do quick and fast. First, quick and fast. This is what we got. So, to cure that pattern, I get my handy dandy mousse and I lay some mousse over it, and it kind of smoothens it back up. I have this mousse right here. And I just run my hand through it like that. Like that. Ooh. 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 And look at that braid pattern. I mean, not the braid pattern. Look at that curl pattern. Look how it just got back in uniform. That's what I'm talking about. So mousse can do the trick, and it looked like it can be slid one more time. Actually, this is still pretty thick. I like it. I like to use, let's see, probably can, yeah, okay. This is the slow. Okay, that's slow with mousse. So, you know, put a little mousse in, you know, it'll tighten these curls back up. Not be so wrinkly. But yes, there we go. That's what we want to use. We want to use that. Yes. Alright. I am going to install my first one for you all. And I'll put it right here. And this hair, it's not too soft, which is a good thing, because you know, the softer the hair is, the easier it tangles. So this is not as soft. It's pretty coarse, which I am appreciative of. So I'm gonna just do about 4 or 5 times. You know, yep. 4 or 5 times, tighten that bad boy, and there we go. That's our first knot. Oh, 18 inches. Oh, we long. Let me step it. We long. Okay, hair. What's it? Let me say what? Okay, anyways, let's continue. Right now it is 9:56 a.m. Let's see what time we finish. Well, 2 1/3 packs later, this chunky mane. Ooh, look at all of her. Look at all of her. She is full, baby. She is full. Beautiful hair. I love the color. But baby, we got to cut this. We got to cut it. Look how long and big this is. I look like a dang on lion. I'm not gonna tell you what time it is. Cause I went out, I had to go take a COVID test. I had to talk to my sister about her getting her hair done for prom, and I had so many breaks. But I started at 9:56. It is now 3:56. I would say average about 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. I would take off 2 hours. So probably about 4, probably would have taken about 4 hours. This hair, oh my gosh, this was not an easy install. The hair is so hard to separate. It's so hard to separate, and then when you separate, it's so stringy, so staticky. And then you don't want to just, this is so big. You don't want this big old clump knot right there. So it's like you have to separate. But definitely want to cut this. And I'm gonna cut this in a heart shape. Scissors. When the shears don't work, just use regular old plain Jane scissors, and I'm just gonna go at an angle and down, cutting it into a heart shape, hopefully cutting to the shape of my face. This is too long. This is too long. And cut that. It's already looking pretty good. Oh, and if you want to peep my part, I did the invisible part method for my part, so it looks super seamless. Yes. Oh, look at this side. This side just ratchet. Oh, that's ratchet. Oof. Let me put this side, the difference so far. Definitely gonna cut shorter than this, but just do something now. Okay. Get the difference. This is not cut. This is cut and the kind of layered. Big difference. So I'm gonna do this side and I'll be back.